In essence, NOVUX fundamentals are based upon three pillars. And you have the first pillar is what I call simplicity. Simplicity means that for customers, we would like to make it much more easy to do business. And to give you an idea is a minimization of training. So we see today that trained staff, that there's quite a lack into the market space. Another pillar is related to configurability. Configurability is in fact the ability to adapt easy and fast to new network topologies or network requirements. And the third pillar is about scalability. And scalability is in fact linked to the ability to anticipate or to react on huge demand changes into, let's say, in-region based initiatives. What's uniquely about the NOVUX program is in fact that it's the first time that a company will bring an end-to-end solution to the market, which is built upon a modular design philosophy. And that focus on three parts. It's the speed of network build. So we have to bring much more data into the field and to the homes in a faster rate. Also, we would like to make sure that customers can benefit the innovations. So we would like to bring innovations much faster to the market and get implementation of these innovations. And the third one is about the lack of trained staff. We see more and more in the market space is that trained people to connect fiber connectivity is less available. So we have to make sure that products will be installed in a plug and play manner. The sealed closures, in fact, are featuring the Octopus gel sealing system. And what provides that extra is that it's much more resilient to the new cable types which are coming to the market. We see that, for instance, microsheet cables or very thin cables with very atypical shapes. And our gel sealing system is able to seal that. Also, if you look to the cable range, we need to cope with a much wider cable range. We see that cables are going from 2 millimeters even up to 17 and sometimes even up to 35 millimeters. Our sealing system is being able to cope with that. What customers like the most in the NOVUX system is the end-to-end solution approach. Additionally to that one, we see that the quick response time that we have to new product needs and to product variants is that they really like that because they need to quickly build networks, they need to have, it needs to anticipate to certain requirements in the field. For instance, if they don't have enough trained personnel. Additionally, we see as well that for customers, they have access to these latest innovations. And that will bring them into a space that they can build much faster networks, much more reliable. And that's really one of the key things that they like. What I like the most about the NOVUX program and excites me the most is that it's really a transformation of doing business into the FTTX space. It's not only about new product development, it's also about how we service the customer in a better way, how we can simplify of doing business. And also, having my background in an R&D development is that bringing innovation and being able to bring innovation faster to the market space is something which was not done before, and that's what NOVUX can bring.